If you've been looking for a printer that can handle almost any material, the new xTool O1 Omni is definitely one of the most exciting releases of 2026. It combines UV printing, direct-to-garment, direct-to-film, and UV DTF into one desktop machine, meaning you can print on wood, acrylic, glass, metal, fabric, and even curved objects without needing multiple printers. What really stands out is the versatility. Instead of buying separate machines for different projects, the O1 Omni brings everything into one workflow, making it a great option for small businesses, Etsy sellers, and serious makers. The print quality looks vibrant, the textured effects are impressive, and the built-in software makes setup surprisingly straightforward. That said, it's not perfect. Since it's a brand new product, a few early users have reported minor software bugs and firmware issues, although xTool has already said updates are on the way. So, is it worth it? If you need maximum versatility and want one machine that can replace several others, the xTool O1 Omni looks like a very promising investment. But if you're only printing one type of material, a dedicated printer may still offer better value.